Hello, dear traveler. Hello, dear traveler. Before we begin, this video is ad-free throughout, so you can enjoy a calm, uninterrupted experience, making this space feel peaceful and authentic for you. I put lots of love into this channel and every single video I make. If you'd like to support my work, you can tap the thanks button below to leave a small tip or donation. It's a simple way to show appreciation and helps me keep creating relaxing, almost ad-free content just for you. Thank you so much for being here. Now, let's begin. Welcome to this breath, this quiet turn in the road, this moment where something ancient and soft has decided it's time to guide you home, back into the harmony between your thoughts and your body, your energy and your breath. Let go now, just for a while. Take a slow breath in and out. Let your shoulders relax. Let the breath carry away the weight of the day. And now, imagine this. You've been wandering through a small mountain village, the kind that seems to slip out of time. Cobblestone paths twist like secrets. Vines bloom even in the cracks of the walls. Every window glows with candlelight. Every chimney carries the scent of lavender smoke and cinnamon bark. As you round a corner, you spot a crooked little house perched at the top of a mossy staircase. Tucked right above a bakery and a sleepy tailor's shop. The shutters are painted teal, and a string of glass charms dances in the breeze. The air hums around the place, as if it's watching you. A wooden sign swings slowly in the wind above the blue door. It reads, "Tea and tincture, by appointment or serendipity." You don't remember choosing to walk up the stairs, but somehow you're already at the door, your hand on the knob. You knock, and from inside, a voice like wind chimes calls out,
"Come in, dear traveler. You're just in time. I've been waiting."
The door creaks open, and you step inside. It's dim and golden in the room, lit by fireflies in tiny jars, and the orange flicker of a kettle simmering above a hearth. Shelves spill over with dried flowers, polished stones, and teacups that seem to breathe when no one's watching. At the center of it all is her. She's older, but not frail, wrapped in layers of patchwork robes. Hair held by strands of twine and tiny beats. Her eyes, one green, one a soft violet, twinkle like moonlight on water. She smiles.
Mind and body out of step, are they?
You nod without speaking. She nods back knowingly.
No worries. It happens all the time. This'll help, but it must be made fresh, by heart and by hand.
She gestures toward a black cauldron nestled in the fireplace. Steam curls upward like ribbon.
Now, for the potion,
She says, rolling up her sleeves. You sit quietly as she gathers ingredients from her shelves and drawers.
For the body, we begin with warm cinnamon bark for strength and flow.
She drops curled bark into the pot with a sizzle.
Then a splash of deep river water, because the body remembers like rivers remember every bend.
She adds ground nettle for resilience.
Now let's add a spoon of golden honey, because your body deserves sweetness too, not just survival.
The room begins to smell like earth and sunlight and safety.
And now, for the mind,
She murmurs, turning to a tall cabinet with humming glass bottles. She plucks a jar of dried blue lotus petals.
next, lavender buds for clarity, and then a final pinch of crushed moonstone dust. Moonstone binds wandering thoughts, reminds them they're not alone.
She stirs the pot gently, and the liquid glows. A soft indigo light pulsing from within. You breathe it in. Something inside you slows, aligns, softens. She pours the glowing potion into a wide ceramic mug. It warms your hands instantly,
Drink, dear one.
she says, and you do. The flavor is impossible to describe. It tastes like calm, like the first safe moment after a long storm, like home inside yourself. As you sip, your awareness turns inward. You begin to notice your feet planted firmly on the wooden floor. Your legs strong and still. Your chest rising and falling. Your breath deep and even. And above that, the thoughts. Busy, bouncing, spinning like leaves in the wind. But now, something shifts. Each breath connects them. Each inhale wraps around the thoughts and settles them into your body. Like birds returning to the nest. your mind, your body, moving together now, like wind and wave, like heartbeat and drum, like roots and sky. You feel whole. The witch, still stirring the pot, smiles.
There it is. Alignment. It doesn't mean perfection. It means companionship. Your body and mind walking together, hand in hand.
You finish the tea. Warmth spreads through your limbs. She wraps the mug in a cloth and hands it to you. She says,
You'll forget this. That's how it goes. But the feeling, that harmony, it will remember you. You can return here anytime you close your eyes and breathe with intention.
You thank her quietly. She nods and turns back to her glowing pot, already brewing something new for someone else. You step out into the evening. The moon is rising, and the stars lean a little closer. As you walk down the steps back to the village below, you feel different. You're walking not as pieces, but as a whole, mind and body, together, listening to each other, supporting each other. At last, take one more breath with me. Inhale deeply and exhale gently. You are aligned now, not by force, but by care. Have a wonderful life, dear traveler, and may your body and your mind always speak to each other in kindness. If this video brought you any peace, you're always welcome to subscribe, like, leave a comment, or share this video with someone who might enjoy a quiet moment today.